Snowy evening out there, and now we're going to be focusing on this little batch of snow tapering off and then lake effect snow developing as we go into the overnight. Now, the exact wind direction is really going to be key as to who gets what. This that you see downtown now is everybody gets it type snow. We call it synoptic snow. It's kind of equal opportunity. Temperature of 27. The other thing that's going to happen is the wind is really going to start to ramp up here as we go into the evening. So here's what to expect. We kind of have this wet, slushy snow developing here and moving through this evening. That initial burst tapers off. Then we start to line up not only strong wind gusts, which could approach 45, 50 miles an hour overnight in a few select locations. We are also going to get the lake effect snow guns firing. And again, depending on the exact wind direction and where that most persistent lake effect snow band sets up, will ultimately determine how much snow any one particular place gets. And there will be lake effect snow around right through Friday and into the weekend, but by comparison, the amounts will be fairly small. Let's talk about the wind advisory first. So this is in effect through Friday morning, speaking to the fact that we could see a few gusts approach 45 or 50 miles an hour. We'll show you the suspect areas coming up. And we also have a new winter storm warning that's in effect for all of Oneida County, Herkimer County as well. And it's a winter weather advisory into Madison County. That doesn't mean you're not going to get snow. You will, but the amounts will be much less as you go to the south. So here it is now. This is this initial round of snow that's coming through, but as we go out a little bit wider, notice the back edge of this already coming into Syracuse. So this first batch of snow will taper off, and in here is where the wind will really start to crank up. Once we get this round of snow out of here, the winds will start to ramp up later tonight, and it will continue into Friday morning. So there's the snow all over the map here as we go into the evening, but notice the back edge tapers off and it will start to turn very windy. Then watch what happens. This is by midnight. Notice we've started to line up some lake effect snow. This is right near and just north of the thruway, just north of downtown, but watch as winds go a little bit more northwesterly later tonight. Look at this, by 5 a.m., intense snow in downtown Utica. Now here's the deal. The exact wind direction, remember, that's the key. So whether this band is right here or if it's a little bit more to the north or a little bit more to the south is ultimately going to determine how much snow falls under this persistent band of lake effect snow. We will start to see a reduction to the lake effect snow into the afternoon. It will be blustery and cold. And then another round of lake effect snow and perhaps even a squall here Saturday in the afternoon as another little cold front comes through. Here's how much snow we're expecting. I've kind of paused this through midnight to kind of talk about this first batch of snow that's coming through. So what's falling right now? It's going to be fairly light, only an inch or so, but there will be some areas that may get 2 to 5, especially into parts of central Herkimer County, northern Oneida County. Then watch as we go into the day tomorrow as the lake effect snow band sets up. Remember how I was showing you that band right near Utica? Well, it could be, like I said, just north or just south or right over downtown. So don't focus on this number so much, but yeah, the opportunity of 4 to 6 inches for downtown Utica possible. I think much of Oneida County will be somewhere between 4 and 6, 4 and 8, with the potential of up to 10 inches across northern parts of Oneida County. Quickly, with the wind as well, that will start to ramp up. Notice as we get into the evening and overnight, 45, 50 mile per hour wind gusts, which will cause blowing and drifting snow as well. So a little round of wintry weather as we go into the overnight tonight, as lake effect snow becomes heavy at times overnight while you're sleeping, a low of 25. Windy, cold, lake effect snow and snow showers through the day tomorrow. Watch for areas of blowing and drifting snow, a high of 32. More lake effect snow showers Saturday into Sunday, additional minor accumulations. Cold, upper 20s Saturday, chilly on Sunday, and then the weather starts to calm down heading into President's Day, early to mid next week. Milder, could be talking about rain by the time we get to Thursday with temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50. Right. Will be snowy tonight though.
All right. Yeah, it's so interesting. It goes like snow back to 50.
Yeah, that is
we're just going to keep doing it.
Textbook El Nino.
Yeah.
That's exactly how El Nino behaves. Morning commute tomorrow will be problematic.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Craig.
Yep.
Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 6, hear what Mayor Mike Galimi has to say about his proposed budget and tax increase in the city of Utica.